to show you a 1955 Corvette Restomod we built for a customer from Maryland back in 2017. Started life as a fairly decent original car, which we were able to restore the original fiberglass body, installed onto a custom street shop chassis. We fully restored and repainted the body, refinished the underside of the car, re-chromed the bumpers, restored the trim and grills. The car is powered by a 436 horsepower LS3 crate engine and a 4L70E transmission from GM Performance. The suspension is a combination of parts from C4, C5, and C6 generation Corvettes, as well as a set of upgraded QA1 adjustable coilovers. Other upgrades include a modern power steering system, hydraulic power brakes, DeWitt's aluminum radiator and cooling fan, vintage air, heat and air system, and a custom fuel system. On the interior, we installed a set of modernized gauges which look factory, upgraded the sound system, custom-built seats and covers, as well as modified pedals for driving comfort. We fully rewired the car during the build as well. The car is back in for service before it is put away for the winter. The customer drives the car regularly during nice weather and continues to be one of our favorite builds here. We hope you like it.